So today's video is kind of a fun video, and we're doing this review video a little tiny bit differently because we're doing the unboxing part here, and then we're going out ATVing, side by side, and there's a whole bunch of us. I don't know any of them except for the one guy that invited me, and we're testing this gear on his ATV. Side by side. It's this is, let's just get into it. This is the Kemimoto, compatible with Can Am Maverick Sport Trail Sport Max. I think he has the Maverick Trail, I believe. This is their electronic device GPS holder console replace part. Yes? Yeah. This is it here. Looks like we're going to do an install when I get out to where we're meeting, which is about 2.5 hours away. But as far as it looks like this should be great. It looks like you could possibly put like is that a camera in there? I can't really tell. Your phone for sure. But we'll see all the size and stuff like this. It looks like it's a pretty easy install as far as I can tell. And there's a little video of some guy who has it, but we're going to make our own video. So what we're going to do is I'm going to unbox this. And then we'll end up out in the middle of somewhere. I'm not even sure where we're meeting yet. Install it, and then we'll spend the day with it on his side-by-side and let you know our thoughts. Okay, so as I said, this is the electronic device holder. Very cool. Universal compatibility with, basically it shows the models here, 2018 to 2021 Maverick Sports, Maverick Sport Max, Maverick 800 Trails, adjustable clamp for anything, it looks like most tablets and smartphones. It's robust, people love robust, and tablet dash mount compatibility. Very cool. I don't know the price of it because as of now, it looks like it's possibly sold out. My guess would be probably somewhere in the same realm as this one over here. Maybe. I don't know. Anyways, let's close this. And it's a fairly big box. It is. This is it. And I don't think it's going to be an overly exciting like unboxing, guys. It came in just a big box, which is how I'm going to carry it back to meet him. That loose screws in the box. So I'm hoping that I got everything. Manual. I think that's some kind of tape. Oh, I think that everything was in the bag, and the bag fell apart. Nothing there. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff. Shake the box. Shake the box and make sure it's all good. I think so. Okay, so we'll look at that part in a minute. Anyways, this is it as far as I can tell. It comes just like one piece, right? Is it exciting? Well, if you have one of these side by sides, I'm sure it will be. As far as it looks, it's like 4 screws to uninstall maybe what you have already and to install this. So this is the back part of it, I'm guessing. I think these are like the 4 screws. Maybe not. There's looks like maybe 2 screws up here. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. But you flip it around, and this push. Oh, I see. This is going to be the top part. This is the top. This would sit like the top part. It'd be facing you this way. Yes? Right? Hood. Us. And then this, maybe you guys can see it. There you go. I'll go like this. This is like this. So this should be able to maybe... Oh, look at that. It's like a little compartment. I don't even know what the Maverick looks like. So... Oh, see, there's a little bolt on the inside here, which you can loosen, which something, aha, this goes up and down now. I gotcha. Now, you're not going to necessarily then, my guess would be you're not going to be able to necessarily mount your phone this way because you need an awful big phone, but you could mount it up and down. And if you had an iPad or some kind of tablet, you could mount it this way. And then you just kind of snug it up against it, and then you have this for it going in somehow. Now the other thing maybe, I'm wondering, see this piece here, this little guy here, that piece looks like a lip for a phone. I bet that's designed to come out and possibly maybe fit in here so that it can attach better. That's my thought. That's my thought process. Anyways, should be a fairly fast install. And then glove box, everything. Couple screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's it. So that's cool. You do get, this was, I think, where all the screws probably were in at one point in time. So there's 2 of the, yeah, maybe. Yeah, so that makes sense. So we've got 2 of these screws. Yes, I'm hoping. And then there's whoa. Don't go losing pieces here. Big spider, hold up. Pretty sure that's what that was a big old spider going down there. So anyways, you get 2 of these screws, as far as I tell, which will go with, here, I'll just take it all out. It's not overly exciting, I don't think. 2 of those, 2 of these, 2 bolts, and some washers. Yeah? Yeah. And as far as I can tell, that's kind of it. Does that make sense? Is that, they say 4 washers. I got everything else except I'm missing a washer somewhere. I have to look in the box because it could very well still be just underneath the cardboard. All right, let's go ATVing, side by siding, and install this. All right, so pardon the wind noise. We got guys. Well, I'll say the guys from Bearded ATVers. Yep. Yes. We're putting this on. So what vehicle is this?
The Maverick Trail.
Maverick Trail. So we are going to install. Well, I'm not going to install anything. You're installing it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we're gonna take a look at what it looks like once it's there, and we're gonna ride around with it all day, and see if it holds up.
Should. Can't see why not.
Yeah. Cool.
It's because I took the windshield off. The full one.
Oh, it's Mike. I was correct.
Yes. Yeah.
That's not a bad thing.
No.
Now I have a little drill if you want.
What drill bit do you have? The tablet?
Yes.
Oh, 80.
That's all right.
Yeah.
It's got GPS in it.
It does not, unfortunately, and that's where I screwed up. So every other one will work with the Wi-Fi for the Jeep for this, but
Not rocking it.
but
So
not.
open it. I figured this out. Open, and then you adjust right there.
There it is.
Oh.
Neat. There.
There you go.
There we go. And then once it loads, we'll open up the Ride Command app. That's funny because all my other apps, so you use the back road maps, you use Can Am's map system, anything else like that, and it doesn't need signal. Like you can just use the Wi-Fi signal
Oh, from your phone?
from my phone, and it'd be just fine. But the Polaris one, the Ride Command, won't allow it.
Typical players.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hilarious. All right, well, we're gonna go for a ride, and we'll let you know. We'll let you know what we think. It should hold together good, I would think.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, that's solid. Looks good, and it's clean.
Very nice.
Nice.
What would blow that over? Or was it? Or again?
I guess there's a lot of snowmobiles probably coming.
Okay, so we've ridden all day with this.
Yeah, love this. This thing's awesome.
That's good.
Got lots of room. I mean, I could put the whole tablet in there whenever.
Oh yeah,
Tablet fits right in.
and still have tons of room.
Still have tons of room. That's
And you were saying that this is for the
the
Jeep
factory GPS
that you can get on it. So we used it with the tablet and with the phone.
and the phone.
We're just good.
Yeah.